The House for Cellist, a project by Unagru Architecture Urbanism, breathes new life into an 1850s London townhouse. The clients, a family of musicians, sought a home that seamlessly integrated their musical pursuits with contemporary living. Their brief was clear: a spacious, light-filled sanctuary with ample room for rehearsals, a strong connection to the garden, and a touch of the unconventional. The architects responded by carefully considering the existing structure, opting for a sensitive refurbishment rather than a complete overhaul. A single-story extension at the rear and a striking rooftop terrace dramatically expanded the living space. The ground floor was reimagined as a fluid open-plan layout, with a semi-transparent kitchen box anchoring one end and the living area seamlessly transitioning into the garden. Flexibility was paramount. The heart of the home, a central storage volume, cleverly doubles as a WC, dining bench, and bar. This ingenious design allows for effortless transformation of the space, accommodating both intimate family dinners and lively quartet rehearsals. The dining table can be easily moved aside, freeing up valuable floor space for musical performances. Natural light floods the interior through a generous circular skylight, illuminating the central hub and casting dancing shadows that play across the walls. The material palette, light oak floors, matching joinery, and rough lime plaster creates a warm and inviting atmosphere. Subtle touches of green marble punctuate the spaces, marking thresholds and adding a touch of luxury. The rooftop terrace, accessed via a bespoke steel staircase, offers a unique and unexpected outdoor retreat. A vibrant green roof, teeming with wildflowers, not only enhances biodiversity but also helps mitigate local flooding. This innovative design solution exemplifies the project's commitment to sustainability. The House for Cellist is a testament to thoughtful design and a deep understanding of the client's needs. It is a home that seamlessly blends functionality, aesthetics, and musicality, creating a truly inspiring and unique living environment for a family of musicians.